Back several months ago, we talked about the 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech are verb, noun, adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now, throughout your school career, probably starting even way back in first grade, you started learning about the different parts of speech. Today, we're going to learn about the very last one, and that is the preposition. It's probably the most complex of the 8 that we're going to learn about. All right, so let's break this down. Well, let's start with a simple definition. What is a preposition? Well, it is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in the sentence. Prepositions are often small words. If we jump down here, we'll see the most commonly used prepositions are the words at, in, on, to, toward, through, into, by, and with. Now, most often, a preposition will be followed by a phrase. Remember, a phrase is not a complete sentence. It is usually just giving us additional information. But a prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition, and it's always going to end with an object. And now a prepositional phrase is really the reason that we even use them is to give us more information, to give us more details in the sentence, maybe about who or why or where or when or how. For example, on this worksheet that you're going to be completing today, you're going to be reading some sentences. For example, do you think you will go on the Ferris wheel? Well, we know that on is a preposition. Would the sentence be okay without the word on and the words after it? Do you think you will go? Well, yes, it would be a complete sentence. But on the Ferris wheel gives us more information about, well, where you're going to actually go. And it helps us just know more about a sentence. Watch this video for a further explanation. There's also a brain pop video I want you to watch. They're pretty brief, but it will just give you more information. Then I want you to play a game in Quizlet. I actually played it, and you need to match them up, and when you do, they will disappear. If you were in school and already received this prepositional phrase worksheet, you may go ahead and complete the hard copy and bring it back to school with you. If you did not, simply get a piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, and number 1 through 10, and write down the prepositional phrases that you are going to underline. The last thing you're going to do is take a very brief quiz about prepositional phrases. It always starts out with your name and your homeroom teacher, and the rest of the questions will follow. Have fun, Falcons.